Hi, this is Sarah from The Savvy Professor, and in today's video, we'll be talking about why your Hotpoint washer is making a grinding noise and how to fix it. Let's get started. There are several causes of the grinding noise in a Hotpoint washer. It could be due to a damaged or strained pulley, a faulty tub bearing, or an issue with agitator dogs. Let's look at these causes in depth and their solutions. A damaged or strained driver pulley. A damaged driver pulley can cause your washer to make grinding noises as it struggles to spin. Remove the driver pulley from your washer and inspect it for wear and tear. If you notice any cracks or tearing, replace it. A faulty tub bearing. A tub bearing allows for smooth spinning of the tub during a cycle. When it's rusty or worn out, it can result in a grinding noise. You need to replace the tub and the bearing to solve the issue. Contact a professional for assistance with obtaining legit parts and repairs. An issue with the agitator dogs. The agitator dogs facilitate the rotating mechanism of the agitator. When you've used your washer for some time, these agitator dogs are bound to undergo wear and tear. They start slipping, causing this grinding noise. Replace them to fix the issue. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Till next time.